Hey everybody, Spoonfed here, and I told you on Monday we're going to do something cool on Thursday that will help us in SEO. That's going to be Mozilla Prism. Oh cool, did not know that. So we have a web runner, that's cool. And that's, oh yeah, no, that's nice. There we go. Not entirely sure what happened. Hey everybody, Spoonfed here, and I told you on Monday we're going to do something cool on Thursday that will help us. Well, here we are. So, we got a couple of things. It says here the Prism is no longer developed. It's for web runner now. Sounds like a cool thing, but I could not find anything on downloads. So we'll look at Chromeless. It's a new project apparently. So I just want to download this. I want to download. Where are you? There we go. So we'll do the latest version for Windows. What, is it gone? Why? Yeah. Alright, sounds fine with me. Let's get Chromeless then. There are no files yet. You gotta be kidding me. Right, can we download another beta version? The original normal version then? I just want this. I want it. Why do we want it? Because it's a very handy. There we go. It's a really handy application that we need. I don't care. Where are the files? This one's connecting for ages. Oh, yeah, that's what I mean. Well, that's the add-on, and I want the standalone. Yeah, it says here it's available for download. Now, download them on the project page. Alright, let's go there. File not found. Awesome. So, this whole thing is just, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't make any sense. It's considered inactive. Yeah, I don't mind that. I just want to download it. Freaking. Alright, yeah, here we are. Alright, so go to prism.en.softtonic.com. Here you go. Oh, good lord. We're finally downloading this. Yep, save file. I said Ctrl J. Alright then. Another thing to do for me would be to get the Prism and then just upload it and put the description or link in the description. Did I start the download? Does it just take forever? Oh, that. Yeah, run. Alright, this is taking way longer than I wanted. But you can't have it all. Come on, man. We're in a hurry. Oh yeah. We are in a hurry. Yeah, there we are. So, alright. You can read this. Just go. Nope, we do not want anything called the Incredi bar. We do not want to have that. We say no thanks. So now we wait. Love the commercials on this one. Love the ads. Not really commercial. Love the advertising. This is so annoying. Come on, download it. There we go. Download it with 1 MB. Oh yes. 1.5. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, right. Download complete. There we go. Alright, so that's the opening of that one. But I'm going to close that one. I'm going to say exit. Because I want to say extract. No. Extract here. There we go. Alright, we can delete this one. Yes, go away. So here we have Prism, and here we have Prism. There we go. Alright, so I'm just going to keep this on my tools. And oh yeah, of course, because I'm, stupid me. Wait 1 second. Just gonna get it over here. And I'm gonna, my OCD has to make that Prism like that. Alright, Prism, sorry. Alright, so we're gonna start this up. We're gonna start the up, then new. We're going to hello text. I'm just gonna copy that one over there. We'll name this if it wants to. No, there goes social media wheel. We do not need a navigation bar. We do not want to have status messages in progress. Navigation keys, yes, because that will make us able to navigate but not have that one. Display in the notification area, we do not need that. And we'll want a shortcut on desktop, and that is the icon. That's fine actually. We'll do OK. And you think, what does that do actually? Well, that creates lists. Yeah. And this is actually a very ugly thing. But now we have a sort of, between quotes, application. It's not really an application, of course, but this is better than a URL shortcut. Why? Because the URL shortcut is basically opening up a new Firefox in a browser, and you'll still have it in your browser. And this is a separate standalone application running. But I quite can I? That's you cannot do. No, and don't do that anymore because it's very annoying. Let me see if I can get inspect. Yes, style. Do you have a picture? No, you don't. Alright. And that thing. Jesus Christ. I wanna inspect the elements. Inspect that thing. Yes. Inspect it. Style. There we go. That should be it. Oh no, that's oh wow. Awesome. It's not what I wanted, but it looks freaking cool. Alright, that's not what I wanted. The only thing I wanted was I wanted that icon right there. Damn. Because the normal favicon that's there is not a good looking icon. It's not a, what do you call it, vector graphics. We could also do that actually. Let's do it easier way. Vector hello txt. Let's see if we can get one. No people have one. Alright, that's not a big deal. But vector graphics will expand very ugly, as you can see right there. So I'll just keep that in my tools. So that looks far better. This one looks horrible. It should be like that, but that's okay. So now we can just run this whenever we want to post something. Just run it. There we go. And then you can just sign in here with the credentials you usually do. No. Did I do wrong? Yeah, that's what I thought. No, that's not correct. Like so. Not now. And as you can see, you don't see any status messages and what's going on, but it should be loading up the dashboard, and there we go. So if you want that, you can totally switch it on. And yeah, so now we can post everything from here, and that way we don't need a extra application here or extra tab here or whatever. You can just let this run, and this will also run with like updating your traffic or the timeline, I mean, and whatnot. So that's with a little bit of hassle, you got a cool application with Prism, and you can do multiple ones with that. You can you don't need to just use it for this one, of course, but you can use it with any application. You can use it with YouTube. You can use it with Twitter. Twitter. You have amazing applications for that already. So this is a very poor substitute, but you can use it with Grooveshark. That's a pretty cool one to do. Then you'll just have your own music player, as it were, and that's about all I can think of really right now. So it took us a while, but now we have this running, and it will help us do SEO.